Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your pretty soul, Pretty Rishi, aka Kibera Finance, because I mean, who is finer than me? Who? Okay, mliniambia nacho kucheka hivyo. Oh my goodness, siju kucheka like in a normal way, nachekanga funny. Alright guys, as you have read the title, that is what we are doing today. So guys, today we went shopping. Okay, our weekly, I thought it's 2 weekly because this is V2. Hey, I don't expect itakuwa hapa. Hey, zote hivi na mimi tunakulanga sana. But anyway, we went shopping weekly. I think 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks. Because this is candy for long shopping. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love. Now mix between me. Thank you for the love. Thank you for always coming back. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, babe. Gift nipatie ni mimi. Nipatie to your intro. Welcome back, babe. Welcome back. Anyway, guys, your intro my best friend here. Whether she's coming back to YouTube. Alikuwa anafanyanga udaku kama kina A, but now she's coming back kama vlog. Alikuwa blogger lakini sasa anakuja kama vlogger. So anyway, I hope you guys will welcome her so well, okay? She'll be just doing normal content, cleaning, blah blah blah. Okay, Miss Dani kama nitafanya cleaning deep because I'm not that kind of person. But if you love this kind of video, hit her up. It in a YouTube video. I don't know kama ata change jina ama itabaki hivyo because her YouTube name is Link TV. I don't know kama ata change ama itabaki Link TV. Oh, Gift Nasimiu. Nitaenda nike link ya hapa chini. So in maybe next week, I don't know, nilina na plan kuweka YouTube. She'll be posting. Nimova talk. Anyway, over talking. Anyway, guys, so let me just show you what I bought. Then we arrange our fridge. Najua mnashanga fridge. Yeah, we have fridge, guys. Well, so guys, let me just show you the shopping. So we have this. Oh my goodness. And then let me bring another one. We have, okay, it's in Zito. And we have this. We have this. So guys, this is not the actual shopping. This is just, and then we have this. Tishu lazima tungenunua because kukunia watu wanakunia huko ndani haifurahishi macho za Mwenyezi Mungu. Watu wa mabaya. So guys, let's just unwrap. Anyway, so we decided to buy this one. And then we love, okay, Gift loves serviette. Miss Yonangini be a serviette, but she sees the need. And then tulibeba umbrella because kulikuwa kunanyesha asubuhi. And then hizi ni maomo zangu. And then this one is pad. Okay? Hii nyumba tunatumia pad kama wachawi. Mungu alisema, Jehova, mimi kama Yesu Kristo na wabariki na mnyesho kama yote. Chukua! No ni gift singing. Alafu tukaamua kwa sababu kukunya nayo ni mandatory. Ukikula to bubble gum, to Mr. Berry kama mimi hivi na peel. So yeah, tissue. Ilikuwa around 160. Na ilikuwa 50 bob. Na ilikuwa 7, and then this one is 70 bob. Hii ilikuwa, I don't know if you concentrate. Okay, so this is just a budget for both people. And then we bought this one, and then guys, we bought this one, but it's not milk. So let me go put them in the freezer, then come back. Okay, Okay, kidogo tu. Oh, with another one. Zilikuwa kind of two. Then we have this one bread. Yani mkate unasikia 100. Lakini si ya 100. Okay, hata mnapenda banana bread, banana cake, hii ni a gift, lakini hata mimi napenda naonyesha hapa. Kuna mingi. And then hivi. Anyway guys, acheni niweke then and come back, okay? Watu wangu wa crypto, watu wangu wa stock exchange. Guys, have you heard about Moeda Transparency? Moeda Transparency deals with crypto trading, stock exchange, and insurance. As a trader in this platform, you are required to trade with a minimum of 1,000 Kenya shillings. And then, hiyo tawa yako ina earn interest ya 10% after 24 hours. For crypto investment, kuna packages ngapi? 3. Package ya kwanza ni ya 48 hours na hii inakurequire uweke investment ya 10,000. Alafu una earn interest ya 22%. Package ya pili ni ya a 1 week investment na hii inakurequire uweke a minimum amount ya 100,000. Alafu unapata an interest of 85%. Package ya tatu ni ya 2 weeks investment. Hii inakurequire kuweka a minimum amount ya 200k. Alafu unapata 200% interest after 2 weeks. Nini inakustop from taking your investment strategy to the next level? Nini? And Moeda at Google, or you can click the link on my bio to join the family. So guys, I'm back, and then we bought this. Me, I love soda. Soda every day, every time. That is Jamal. Jamal, unapiga say ndio niletee copyright claim. Jamal, stop! Jamal! Thank you. Ni Jamal. Yeah. Our friend is coming over. Oh, guys, we have another one. Mkisikia makelele msishangae, it's gift. And then there's Jamal. And then we have this. And then we have this. This is our breakfast. Then guys, am I the only person who is addicted to this? I really love this coconut creams. Bonafani brand ambassador, because the way I use this thing, it is of this world, man. Umbrella. Out of this world. Out of this world. So guys, another thing, bacon. It's kind of bacon. Yeah. So this one. And then we saw this one, and then Gift was like, is this the Kazuruka fridge? So we were like, let's try them on. So let me just see how they look. Yeah, let me just see how they look. Guys, actually niwaambie. So today nilikuwa, this is how they look. Tujai jaribu hii, but tumejai jaribu ile ingine. I don't know if it tastes funny or it is the best. I don't know. But me, I love bubble gum. Strawberry. Hapa I think kama hakuna bubble gum, I'm dead. This is not a tune that gift. Because hakuna bubble gum. Guys, if you know me, I'm very, very choosy when it comes to food. I'm so choosy. Oh my goodness. I'm so choosy. I'm the choosiest person you can ever get. Choosy. Yani mimi niko choosy. Ile design hata mimi spendi. Yani, I'm so choosy in a way that I don't like. So, Gift lately amekuwa akimiss mushroom. So she got this. Ilikuwa 310. These things are 310. Alafu kushago hizi vitu zinamea bure. Oh. And as you're buying 310, this thing 310, who does this? 310, bro. That's a lot, man. The economy is just on another level. Just there. The economy is doing us more harm than good. I don't like that. And then for me, I love this. Tangu discover hizi napenda hizi more than hizi. No, where is it? More than hizi. So for me, I prefer this more than this. I don't know if I'm alone. I usually feel like these ones are just so yummy, so delicious. I don't know, these ones. So we got these two because these are lazima uchemshe. That's how I usually see gift cooking. Lazima zichemshe, lazima just fry. But this one you can just chemsha and eat them. Hizi nzuri za barabara. Then this is Jayona. Okay, I think kuna watu wanadhani kwa barabara. I'm taking a lot. Oh my goodness. So then kuna hii. I think my last time eating this thing was when I was in class 6-7. My mom bought it. Then we tried them and it was so yummy to me. That's the last time I can remember eating this. Now I'm here now. I can eat as much as I have, as long as I have money, I can eat it every day, every time. Yeah, and that is the best thing that I think. Yeah, the best thing that has happened to me lately. And then by the gift have been asking me, Pretty, mbona napenda kula mkate, mbona napenda kula mkate. There is one story napenda kula mkate. Kwetu, my mom used to buy mkate when there's wageni, okay? When there's wageni. So that's when my mom alikuwa anapika mkate, anabuy mkate like mostly. But other days tumekula mandazi zile la kobole, mandazi. But on a good day tumekula mkate. So nowadays I tend to eat a lot of bread. Najua kuna watu watanjajo kula kidogo upungue. My body is not big like this because nakula sana. My body is big like this because it's a gene. My mom is big since I was small. Mimi I've never been thin. I've never been petite. I've never been small. Mimi sikumbuki nilikuwa mdogo jamani. Yeah? Unaona kama unasema she was thin, now she's fat. Mimi yo. No day, no time. I've never been thin. That's why I was thin. The only I was thin. Ni kama natoshana kama nani. You see the way, hey, sijui kama nani mdogo naweza sema naweza compare. Huh? And I've been thin, so yeah, this one I'm going to eat for the second time. And I'm so excited. Yeah, I can't wait to try them on. And guys, do you know that we are going shopping again next week? Around Monday, Tuesday, something. Tunaenda Kayole. We're going shopping Kayole. Uko kichinjioni. Oh, so gift doesn't take soda. So this is her drink. Mango, Afia mango. She really loves mango. So anytime I'm usually with my friend nasemanga, buy any gift mango. Because she can't take soda. Yes, she does, but I consume even a lot kama mimi. So we bought these ones. They cost maybe like 6. Zakatoka kwa chupa. Ni makofi hizi. This drink is Spanish coffee. Then yeah, njugu, because why not? Njugu. There is my light imeenda off. Because why not? So njugu. Let me try and see what I can do. Sorry guys, I had to bring my ring light. Nilikuwa natumia hii. Then imezima. So I had to bring the ring light. So you didn't nasema we bought it like 6 of them. I don't know. Some more yogurt. And then pilau masala, because in this house we love pilau. Yeah. So we done maziwa mala, cause why not? Cause why not? We love maziwa mala. Inakujanga in handy a lot of times. Hi Jamal.
Hi baby girl.
Kwa nini unakuhug?
Shoot.
Okay, and then we got this buy one get one free. Buy one get one free. Yeah, we bought this one. So yeah. We bought this one. I have to take it for our fridge. Because this test is not tasting. Then this in your pili. Then popcorn, because pia popcorns in this house tunakula kama watu tunatoroka. We eat a lot. Sorry for that. We tend to eat a lot of popcorns. A lot. So it's gonna 2 packs of popcorns. Yeah. 2 packs of popcorn. And then biscuits for pia like tukikulanga kwa yenyewe tushibe. Tukikulanga kwa yenyewe tushibe. Wakati tunakuja kumalizia biscuit kwetu. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So honey because gift and a diet.
I don't take sugar.
Because una diet. Ana diet tutakaa hivi. Mama nimekaa hivi. Hey, scary please. Thank you. And then we got Mr. Berry because we bet to PK because gift anamezanga zake Jamal tu akam Jamal because gift anakulanga kimeza. Yeah. And then more of coconut cream because more of coconut cream because we love coconut. Ziko almost 9. We love coconut. Tuku coconut na chai. Coconut na. So our second bag iko na machungwa. Okay. Iko na hii yangu na gift because gift ananimalizia kila kitu. And then hii ni yangu. Gift ananimalizia every day. Then we have this in ya dirisha glass cleaner. Tujai nunua nisiketa pale. Makofi, asante.
Ndio uko na dirisha na kupanguza za maana.
Because things should smell clean. Yes. Now we have this. Okay, let's just get hapa jistanikisha chakula. Let them stay here. Karibu nyanguke. And then more of this. No. Mimi napenda keki gift na diet bado. And then hii hapa. Hii ni acho. Ama nataka kunywa. Hii inaitwa S. S really smells nice. I find S affordable na mzuri kuliko nitoka lavender. Harpic. I love S more than Harpic. Tangu nigundue S kwanza hii. Huyu msichana mwenye anakuwa TikTok Aura ndalini influence Aura. Thank you S, you should consider Aura as your brand ambassador because so many people have bought this thing because of her. You should consider. Anyway, hata waona. And then more of this. Hey, wasichana wanapenda kukula. And then this. More bacons. And then here it is gift alisema je nako kwa guta linanuka vizuri. Hivi nimeambia gift mwende kwa channel yake mwatch. And then sabuni ya wageni alisema tusipata wageni kwa shower gel atu wanafinya. Mnafinya shower gel kwani kwanza nyumba tutakubali wageni kwa sababu wageni wanakuja kuna watoto wanashika vitu no way hatukubali tena. Anyway, gift alisema je wageni. Mkikuja kwako kufinya shower gel bila kitu kuuza. Hii gift alichukuliwa wageni mingi. So wageni wakuja waoge nazo. Hii na alafu na hii. Okay, tuko tena kwa bedsit yenye itanuka kila mahali hadi kitchen. Thank you. So, yeah, this one. So hizi za wageni bado mimi nawaambia tu. So guys, hizi vitu zote apart from hizi bado sijamaliza. Bado. Kuna hapa. Leo ni unboxing vitu mingi jamani. You guys are enjoying. So kuna hii tulibai 130. 200. 150. 130. This one we bought 130. Tuko na fridge msijali, mtunza tulitoa wapi? Nyinyi tuko na mwenye fridge usione give vlog. Atakujia. And then fridge gift I'll buy Miss Kulangi atakia part of 1 million years. Says kule vitu ni kufanya njaa. Nanuka vibaya, oh my goodness. And then gift akabani zimeshabondeka jamani. Kini tatu. And then msichana wetu wa diet akasema avocado nini. So hizi zimebaki hapa ni avocado. This is junior damu. And then na apple na maembe. Yeah, mango. And guys, we are done. See, we go and arrange our fridge. Oh my goodness. Inakaa vizuri. Najua muonyesheni naonyesha. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Yeah, we're done here. So let's go and arrange our... Let's go and arrange our fridge. Try for me by. Let's arrange the fridge. Lakini ndio msho mnani na muni tena baka wa fridge kwa tabaka na maelezo.